As we track the tropics this morning, there is one area we are watching.
Yes, and this is just a good reminder. It's hurricane season. We're still creeping closer and closer to the peak of this season, Kellyanne.
Yeah, and that peak is on September 10th. We're getting very close. And I'm happy to say right now we're only watching one thing out in the tropics. And it's a tropical wave that's producing broad, disorganized showers and thunderstorms. And it only has a 20% chance of development in the next 7 days. So this is actually not too bad as we near that peak of hurricane season on September 10th. So we're climbing very quickly. Now, compared to this time last year, we're actually not as busy as this time last year. Right now, we have 5 named storms. This time last year, we had 10 named storms. A little bit closer to home today, we have showers and thunderstorms developing earlier on in the day and then more rain for the holiday weekend. We'll have those details coming up in your full forecast in a few minutes.